Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bumble. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to bumble.com. Here, tap Join. You can choose to continue with Facebook, Apple, or your phone number. We will be using our phone number, so tap Use cell phone number and enter your phone number. Tap Continue. Now enter the one-time password sent to your phone to verify. Next, add your name and tap Continue. Here, add your date of birth and tap Continue. Similarly, select your identification and tap Continue. It's now time to add your pictures, so select your pictures to add and tap Continue. Tap Allow Location Access and allow the permissions. Your profile now needs to get verified, so tap Get Verified. Tap Verify Now. Copy the demo image and take your picture and submit it. Once your picture has been approved, select what you are looking for and tap Continue. Tap I agree. And that's how you sign up for Bumble. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.